So I'm about to show John. This one's falling. My car. What do you think I did to it? Just what do you think?
I don't know.
Oh snap!
What? I'm so jelly.
So you want to drive it?
Oh yeah, this shit looks totally different. Before it was just like a regular looking car, you know.
He's like, it's so girly. What do you think I did to it? Just what do you think?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, go.
Oh my god, this. I'm so jelly. I'm so jelly. What?
She gonna try to spin.
Yeah.
Sorry, roller coaster.
This shit is dope. Yeah, I'm loving it.
Oh, no food or drink. I'm sorry. Sorry. No, I'm just Do you like my seatbelts?
Yeah.
They're actually a 5-point harness.
You want to put the wheel on?
She wants to strap in. Help her strap in.
Help me strap it.
Yes, yeah, basically, yeah.
I'm still in your car.
Yeah, until now.
She's little.
Damn, Anna. I'm like, I gotta suck it in. Yo, what?
There's one down here if you want.
There's a crotch one too.
No, no, I'm
Oh snap! I was not expecting that. That shit is legit.
Peep my belt, my seatbelts.
Bro. It's a whole different car.
I know!
Like, real talk.
Liddy?
Yeah, like, he snapped.
So you want to drive it?
Oh, yeah, this shit looks totally different. Before it was just like a regular looking car, you know?
He's like, it's so girly.
Yeah.
Do you know how to take it off?
Yeah.
You gotta push that.
Sure,
You gotta
hold
push
it.
the release button
Okay.
and then pull it all the way up.
Alright. Push this.
No, you have to push that down and slide it to you. No, stop. You're going to see. You don't.
Alright. Let's see. Oh.
You gotta push that button back in.
Oh, this too.
Yeah, because you gotta pull the ring all the way back over top of it.
Oh. How you liking it?
I like it.
Does it feel any different?
Yeah, everything's more tighter, compact. Everything feels nice and tight. It's not all loose and worn out.
2020. It's my first time driving it. I just got all strapped in. I can't even. Oh my god, this steering wheel feels so different. Oh my god. I feel like I'm really low on the floor. Oh my god, even the shifting is way different. I'm like eye level to my steering wheel right now. It's so crazy. Jump across the highway. But anyways, seats are very comfy. 10 out of 10. Would highly recommend. Seat belts, nice and tight. Love this. Love this. What's it called? Silicone plastic type thing. Yeah, that's like my favorite. It's really cute. And steering wheels feels good. It's further from my turn signal, so I can't just like turn them anymore. But it's alright, you know. Sacrifices you make for love. So thanks for watching, y'all, and I will keep y'all updated with more mods and stuff like that as they come, but none for a long time. Your girl broke, and this is a Christmas present, so all of this was a Christmas present. Thank you. Love you. See ya. Bye. I look like a potato, but yeah. I will. Forgot what I was gonna say. And I got to put turbo timer back on. I look super ratchet, but anyways, yeah. I feel like I'm in like one of those chairs where you lean back. What are those chairs called?